Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change email on MYWHOOSH. Basically, some instruction to do how can you do that, because in the platform right here uh, you can't change it. If you go to the settings, you won't see it here, any option to do that. Also on the website, let me jump right into the MYWHOOSH web, like that. Now we are in. So we have this email is as a unique identifier and it's locked after registration. So what you can do now is just go and find the support. So right here we have email for support, and we can write them that you can send a request, your current registered email, and the new email address you want to use, and your username profile name. Send them, and then you will see this is the only way to keep your current progress level and write history. Now, if you don't care for that, you can just create a new account with new email, but you will start from level 1. And yeah, if you don't mind that, then just do that. So I hope this video helped you out, clear a little bit what can you do. And if you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.